If you're a struggling trader, you're going to want to watch this video all the way through because Trusted Signals has some bangers that are releasing, including the new dashboard, which I will show you in just a moment. And we have the new TS Hunter, which you guys can go ahead and claim access to immediately. All monthly members, lifetime members, and we also have a free plan, which we plan to go ahead and do a bunch of things inside the dashboard so that way you guys can start winning trades today. All right, so if you guys want to go ahead and go to trustedsignals.com, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and start trading using all of these tools. And as you guys know, we've been around since 2019, and this next journey is going to be the one that we are going to go ahead and literally take over the game again, because not only do we have Automated Trader TS Hunter, which has some crazy back testable results, we also have Automated Trader releasing within the next 24 hours. So number one, if you guys are inside the Discord chat, you guys are watching this video right now, and you guys are going to be able to go ahead and go to the chat and see the live call within 3 hours. We're going to do a live call that's going to go over the TS Hunter. Okay, the TS Hunter is the Trusted Signals #1 bot. This is the only bot right now that we're going to go ahead and really be pushing. So guys, you guys are going to want to join immediately. Join the Discord, because in 3 hours we're going to go over the full video. Now that is also going to be a replay here within the dashboard. So as soon as you guys purchase or join the dashboard or join the community, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and see all of the replays within the back end, so that way you guys are in the loop and in the know. So really quick, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what we have going on. When you guys go to the dashboard, you guys are going to see this overview, and depending on what membership you guys have, you're gonna see different things. Okay, so number one, you guys are gonna be able to go ahead and claim your indicator right here, and it's gonna bring you to the WAP where you guys can go ahead and claim access. And then we have a new area which is coming very soon as well, that's gonna be able to go ahead and give you live signals. So check it out. Overview. We have a bunch of things right here that are going to be tips and tricks, you know, for rookie traders. This is an area where we're going to go ahead and talk about the TS Hunter and give you guys a little bit of facts. And then you guys can get fully set up within these 3 steps. Okay, you guys are going to claim your trading view indicator. You guys are going to open up an account, and then you guys are going to claim your lifetime role or whatever role you have. Okay, and then the automation, which tomorrow we have a live call. Okay, this is something else that we're gonna go ahead and talk about right now. You guys can see this week we have a bunch of live calls, and tomorrow we're doing a live onboarding and a live demo of Automated Trader. So stay tuned for that. You guys are gonna be able to go ahead and see all of the class links in here as well. We're gonna go ahead and have the video section where you guys can go ahead and see the videos as well that we actually post here on the Discord and the private ones. We also have a trading community, an academy, so that way you guys can learn about trading. If you guys are beginner traders, you guys are gonna have the basics knowledge, so that way you guys can start winning more trades today. All right, guys, and keep in mind that now that everything is starting to flow, the only job that I have to do is teaching you guys and making sure you guys are using the tools appropriately. Okay, so you guys can go to the claim your Discord role, and if you guys are free members, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and claim your free alerts role, and this is going to give you signals for free. Now keep in mind that they're going to be on smaller time frames, so they're going to be harder to execute, especially if you're at work or even sleeping or mobile, right? So you guys are gonna wanna join the VIP access, because we're gonna be able to go ahead and hook up all of this to your automation, so that way you guys can take the alerts automatically. All right, we have the brokers and the prop firms. All right, as you guys can see right here, Henko and Few Pips. All right, and then if you guys are lifetime members right now, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and claim your affiliate link, and you guys are going to make 50% off of each sale every single month. So that's pretty cool. And then we also have this area right here. If you guys are on the free plan, you guys are going to be able to come here and battle, and every 24 hours the leaderboard, we're going to have it so that way users are going to be able to go ahead and literally claim access to a free 7 days. So if you're a winner on this, you're going to be able to go ahead and claim access, and every 24 hours this is going to reset. And as you guys can see here, 190 pips. And let's see if you guys can beat my record. All right, we're gonna have funded account giveaways, cash giveaways for lifetime members, and every 7 days that's gonna go ahead and re-loop for lifetime members. And as you guys can see right here, we already have one person who's joined, and we just put this live right now. All right, the TS Hunter Docs, we have this whole area right here. You guys can load and download the PDF. It's gonna go ahead and explain how to use this specific bot, and it's gonna give you a bunch of details. Keep in mind that after we make this video later on today, it's gonna be here as well, so that way you guys can have more information on how to use all of the tools accordingly. All right, now your billing, this is where you're gonna go ahead and be able to access your billing and basically your membership. If you guys are lifetime members, you're gonna show already as your lifetime member inside your account. So make sure that you guys go ahead and do that. And if you guys have any issues, you guys can come to the support area as well and message me or ask in Discord, and we're gonna go ahead and reply. All right, so what do we have coming later on this week? We have the new dashboard for live signals. We have a preset section, so that way you guys can have all of the presets that we're using live on the automation. We're gonna have a giveaway section as well, and an add-on section, so that way you guys can go ahead and buy scripts. We're gonna do custom indicator packets. We're gonna do one-on-one, and then we're gonna create a private developer group chat, so that way you guys can be in the know. Okay, so guys, number one, if you guys are watching this video, I literally am making this video at 9:44. I'm posting it by 10, and then in 3 hours, we're gonna have the live call inside the chat, so that way you guys can go ahead and get into the know. So guys, join right now. This is the cheapest prices that you guys are gonna go ahead and be able to get this product for. And keep in mind that everything is already, you see the timer, okay, we're 24 hours behind on the timer. So if this link is still live, you guys are gonna be able to go ahead and get access to these prices right here. All right, guys, so I look forward to seeing you guys on the call today, and I can't wait for you guys to join.